Hello dear friends, I am Violetta from Crafting with Vieux. Welcome to the introduction of my new crochet mandala design, MARIE-GALANTE. Before we dive into the technical details, let me tell you how this design came to life. Last August, we visited Guadeloupe, French islands in the Atlantic Ocean. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. During our stay on the island, we visited the local botanical garden, and I was absolutely mesmerized by the vibrant local flora. The beautiful colors, the shapes, and the textures were just breathtaking. That moment of inspiration became this mandala. And you know, I always pack a couple of twister yarn cakes with me during my travels. So this mandala represents a flower floating on the ocean, creating soft ripples around it. I named this mandala MARIE-GALANTE, after a small and stunning island near Guadeloupe that perfectly captures the peacefulness and the beauty of the tropics. And now let's talk about the technical side. This mandala is made using the overlay mosaic crochet technique. If you're not familiar with this technique, please don't worry. If you know how to work a basic single crochet and double crochet stitch, you will be just fine. Just remember that all the single crochet stitches in this technique are worked into the back loops of the stitches in the previous round, and all the double crochet stitches are worked into the front loop of the stitches 2 rounds below. In this pattern, most double crochets are front post stitches, which means they are wrapped around the double crochet stitches from 2 rounds below. And you will also see that we use a lot of slanted double crochets, variations of slanted double crochets, also double crochets 2 or 3 together, and several stitches into the same stitch. And I will guide you through all these stitches as we go. This video tutorial is divided into 10 parts, each covering 10 rounds. Please note that this is a paid pattern, and to have the access to all the video tutorials, please purchase the pattern from the link below. The pattern comes with general information about the design, with coloring diagram, color coding page, color suggestions, information about materials, abbreviations and symbols, photo tutorial for special stitches, written instructions, and a detailed photo tutorial with diagrams. This mandala can be made with any type of yarn. I am using Twister Solid and Twister from Hobby with a 2.5mm hook. The size of my finished mandala will be about 32-34 inches wide. If you're using worsted weight yarn, your mandala will be about 60 inches in diameter. Now let's talk about colors, because this design truly shines with creative combinations. It looks amazing in mixes of solid and ombre, and to help you find your perfect colorway, I created a coloring diagram that you can print out and experiment with. You can use pencils, markers, or your favorite coloring app to color it. And you will find it in the file section in my Facebook group or in the pattern that you can purchase from the link below this video. So here's how to use it. Start by coloring your mandala diagram, then transfer your chosen colors to the color coding page. On the right side, you will see letters and numbers that match each pattern section. Divide the table into as many boxes as you have colors. In the first row, fill each box with the actual yarn color. In the second row, write the letter or number that corresponds to the section where that color appears. The pattern sections are coded with letters, and the accent colors are coded with numbers. Use the next row to note your yarn details, shade numbers, names, or brands. And finally, attach small yarn samples for a quick visual reference. If you have questions about yardage, color choices, or anything related to the pattern, come join us in my Facebook group. I'll be happy to help you there. You can purchase this pattern from the link that I will leave in the description. I will also leave the link to the first part of the video tutorial so that you can try this technique before deciding if you want to buy it or not. If you like my video tutorial, please like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Follow my blog for more information on my newest designs, participate in contests and receive special discounts. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to tag my name when you share your mandala. Join my Facebook group and be a part of our crochet community where you can get help and answers to your questions. Check out my pattern store on Ravelry. My designer name is Vieux. Happy crocheting! Mais t'as vu comme il tient la patte? En fait, comme ça derrière. Moi, je pensais qu'il le mettre comme ça, tu sais, devant, avant de le mettre derrière.
Actually, so if you look, right, that little long part, what you think is its leg, is actually all the foot.
Ah.
Right? There's a joint that you're seeing that you think is the knee, that's actually the ankle. On peut pas. Là, au milieu des jambes, en fait, ça c'est la cheville.
Ouais. Mais t'as le genou, en fait.
Non, 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 non. C'est la cheville. Le genou, c'est dans leur corps. Ouais. La cheville que tu vois.
Mais alors t'as une articulation de plus, alors.
Non, non, non,
c'est... La cheville, elle est au niveau de la patte.
Non, la cheville, là, est au niveau...
Et alors, c'est... Ben,